In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Jira. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to Jira. Make sure you're logged in and then go to the Jira homepage. Now on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see various options like spaces or projects. Go ahead and click on either one depending on where you want to work. This will take you to the list of available spaces or projects you have access to. Once you see the list, it's as easy as clicking on a space or project to open it up and delve into what you need to do. Now that you're inside your selected space or project, the next step is to locate and click on the option labeled Forms. This is where all your form management happens. You'll find this button handy for projects that rely heavily on structured data collection. Okay, once you've clicked on Forms, you're going to want to create a new one. Over on the screen, there should be an easily identifiable button labeled Create Form. Clicking this will be your gateway into creating customized forms for your specific needs. After hitting that Create button, you'll be prompted to choose what type of form you'd like to create. This is where your specific requirements dictate the direction you take. Jira typically offers several predefined templates or completely customizable options, giving you the flexibility to create something that truly suits your project's needs. Moving forward, the exciting part arrives. You'll be able to edit the form to your liking. Within this space, adjust layout, labeling, and any other pertinent fields to fit your project objectives. If additional information needs to be captured, you can add more fields to your form. Think about what data is crucial for the project. Is there anything that wasn't considered initially? Add those fields now while you have the chance to refine and perfect your form. After editing and adding everything you need, it's time to put your form to use by sharing it with others. Sharing spreads the workload and ensures that everyone involved is on the same page. You'll find an unmistakable share icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Give that a click. From this point, you'll need to enter a name for the shareable form. Naming forms clearly and concisely will help keep them organized and easy to find for anyone who needs to utilize them in the future. Once you've done that, your form is ready to share and distribute to your team's network. With everything set up, you're now prepared to leverage forms within Jira to streamline and capture project-required data efficiently. And there you have it. Simple, straightforward, but highly effective in managing your projects through organized data collection. Happy form building!